Hello all, welcome to the video. In this video, we will be developing a very simple React Native application using the React Native CLI. Here are the commands I have used to create this React Native boilerplate. If you want to know more about setting up React Native environment, I highly recommend you to go through the React Native documentation. Everything we want to know is well explained over there. Now we will start the coding. I am opening this app.js file. This is the default code which you can see here. It is given by React Native CLI. Now I will remove everything off. So first I will import a React from React, which will be like import then we have to import React Native components from React Native. The components which we will require for this application is the basic things which are like text, view, touchable opacity, style sheets. I think that's it. We will include if anything else later on. Then we are going to have a function called app. This is a default function. Okay, then here we need to have a return statement as well. In React Native, we have to wrap everything in a single element. It expects a closing tag as well, and yes. Then we need to export this app in index. If you open index.js, you can see something called app. It expects an export in this name, so we need to export it. Okay, now using this view, I am going to create a layout. Okay, then I'll copy this text. Okay, I'm writing hello world. If you save it, you can see the changes in my mobile screen. Yes, I hope you can see this hello world. Okay, now let us create some styles for this. Styles is equal to, we need to have this style sheet dot create let us assume we have a container. Okay, what I will be giving is flex1. This defines that the screens it should utilize the 100% of the screen size. Then align will be single, align items, center, then justify content will be center for my case. Then it will be good if there is some other background color. I would give as cyan. Okay, now we have created a style. We need to add this in our element. Style equals styles dot container. If I save it, you can see the changes. Okay, now our hello world is in the center screen. Okay, now we will add one more style sheet for it. I will name it as text. Okay, first I will give some font color, font size. Let it be around 30. Okay, then padding is first. Let us see these changes. We have to include this in this text element. Styles dot container. No text. We have to name it as text. If you say that, okay, font size is getting reflected. Now we will wrap this text around touchable opacity, which will behave like a button in normal HTML CSS. We'll copy it. Touchable opacity. I'll wrap this around. No, it went wrong. Okay. When I save it, nothing happens. Okay, we'll try to give some background color for this. What we'll do, we'll just try to put this style for opacity. Let's check what's happening. Okay, it doesn't suits, so let it be as it is. Okay, for text we are going to give background color. I have chosen one color already, which I will be writing here as okay. We'll give some padding as well. Padding horizontal, I'll give 10. Similarly, vertical also I'll give. Let this be 40. And color of the element, let it be black. Then some border radius. Okay, now we have a decent button. Okay, now we will try to add one JavaScript function that when I click this button, my background color should get changed. So we will add a method for it as well. Change background equals, let it be a method. Okay, here let color equal to no, we will try to use a state for this. Okay, use state. First constant random color comma set random color. Let us put this inside an array. Equal to use state. So here we can give the initial value for this random color. Okay, I will give some RGB color coding. 3 arguments should get passed to this, and 32, 0, 126. Okay, I guess this should be double quotes. Yes, it is. Okay. Yes, here I made one mistake. It should be random color, random color, random color. Okay. So what should we do in this method is we need to create this color dynamically. For example, first I will hard code this color. Okay, here what I will just do is set random color equal to, no, not like that. Here you need to pass this variable. Okay, change background color, set random color, and then okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just remove this background color from this container. Okay, then here instead of having this as a single style sheet, I'm going to have an array styles dot container. This is one, and then I'm going to have a background color. We can give not cyan. We are going to generate it randomly. For example, I'm going to give this random color here. Let's see what happens. See, no, it is not getting reflected. Okay, it's not getting reflected. Let's see what. Okay, I understood. Here we should not. Okay, and here as well. Let's see this first. Okay, it's working now. In the same way, we need to correct this one as well. Okay, see, now what we are expecting is if I click this button, hello world button, the color should get changed automatically. But as of now I have given some random color, let's say 48. Okay, now I have a JavaScript function to have this dynamically. I am copy that. Okay, now set random color. I will use this color here. Okay, so in hello world there is a typo in hello world. I'm sorry for that. Okay, now if I click this hello world button, the color should get changed randomly. It's not happening. Let's see why. It's because we have not triggered any event for this change background. Let us do that. On press equal to, we'll define this. Now let us try. Yeah, you could see now that the background color keeps changing when I click on this hello world. I am doing this from my mobile. Yes, it's working. So our first application is completed using React Native. We'll see more such application in the next videos. Thank you.